Hey guys, in this video we're getting the gearbox back in the Altezza and we're getting the beams ready to start. Let's go! Okay, so I've been procrastinating with this gearbox for weeks now. I got the release bearing weeks ago, so I could have done it then, but I've been distracted by doing other things. But today, that distraction stops. Let's get the thrust bearing installed, gearbox in the car, and button up the beams ready to start.
Something's gonna bring the change. Journeys we are meant to take. Something at the edge of space, calling us to fly away. Don't you be afraid, everything will change. You and I, jumping off the edge. They say dreamers never die. So come and fly, come and fly, come and fly away with me.
Got it!
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me f***ed up, let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's...
Oh wow, have I run into problems. Like and subscribe as it does help out the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. That's if I haven't set it on fire by then.